Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Commerce with Mac. In this video I'm going to explain you how much revenue I have made on the very first day from the monetization. January 21st I got monetized and today is February 20, it's almost a month. So I have actually informed you on my previous videos that once I get monetized I will be sharing every month what's my revenue, but I can't do that every month, but still I need to have certain transparency with you all because of you all only I'm getting ad revenues, and because you all are watching my channel I'm getting a lot of revenues out of it. Not only from YouTube revenue, I'm also making income through my personalized classes which I conduct on edXcel and Cambridge. Thanks a lot for watching my YouTube videos and helping me a lot in my career and also uplifting your career on the other side. So before we move on to the video, I want you guys to do one thing: subscribe Commerce with Mac YouTube channel. Commerce with Mac YouTube channel is a YouTube channel which educates students in accounting, economics, business studies and commerce related subjects. And also I used to vlog on YouTube how to make YouTube earnings, career guidance as well as travel vlogs sometimes. So let's move on to my revenue on the first day to now, how much I have earned. So on the very first day I actually made an income of on the very first day I made an income of $0.01, which is exactly 4 rupees in Sri Lanka, and that was because $1 is equivalent to 367 rupees, not even 4, it's around 3.60 cents, 3 rupees and 60 cents. That's my first day earning. But on the month end, for the 10 days from January 21st to January 31st, the 10 days I earned an income of $1.80. So $1.80 was a good income because I actually earned $1 and I didn't know how to do that. So I went to all my YouTube videos and monetized all the videos because it took some time to monetize all the videos. And I also learned how to add break on, which means you can put more advertisements on videos, but you should not disturb your viewers. So in my videos, my video length was around 15 to 25 minutes. Some videos goes around 45, 1 hour, sometimes even 2 hours, certain explanation. So 2 hours videos I added 3 advertisements. For 45 minutes videos I added like 1 advertisement and 1 to 2 advertisement. For 15 minutes I add 2 advertisements. For 8 minutes less than that I didn't add advertisement. And one more thing I learned from this YouTube thing, you can't place more ads as you think. You can only place advertisement if more than 1, if the video is more than 8 minutes time period. So if your video is within a specific time period of 7 minutes, 6 minutes, YouTube, when a viewer is watching your YouTube channel, the first time advertisement comes and plays, that's how it plays. And there are different types of advertisements. I'll explain that on the next video, what are the types of advertisement, how we are getting paid. But in YouTube I got paid on the second month, which is February 1st to February 20th today. I had an earnings of exactly 3.98 cents. So $3.98 I have earned from YouTube ad revenue. Now how do I get this amount paid? Of course I get paid from my Google AdSense. This amount which we are taking on January's amount, February's amount, all will be credited to our Google AdSense account. So every month end you can see that the amount is getting credited. So January's $1.80 is credited in my Google AdSense account, and then February's amount will be credited again on the month end. Now your question might be, how did you make a high earning? Like on the first month, first 10 days you got $1.80. On the second month you are making $3.98. This might be a question you might have. You all need to remember that I have earned $3.98 for the last 28 days, which means including the $1.80. So my total revenue from the ad revenue is $3.90, almost $4.13 up to now. But you know, there's something called, in YouTube they say that in YouTube partner program they put all the advertisements money in month end. So in total, if you take the ad revenue of January, $1.80 and almost $3 in February, if you take both together, I have earned $4.13 exactly for the entire YouTube revenue. But other advertisements like display ads, bumper ads, non-skippable ads, so many advertisements are there. So those all together I have made completely, apart from the advertisements you see, I have earned an amount of $7.46 for a time period of 30 days. So that is equivalent to, if I take my calculator and calculate, it is equivalent to Sri Lankan money 367 into 7.46. I'm getting an amount of 2,737.82 cents. So that is a good income as a YouTuber. You did not get anything all these days, and you are getting something out of the YouTube for your hard work. And YouTube, now you might have a question like, can we take the YouTube money out of the YouTube account the moment it falls into YouTube Google AdSense? You can't take your money like as you expect from the Google AdSense account, so you need to wait until you meet the threshold. Now what is this threshold? Threshold is like $100 you need to at least achieve. If you achieve $100, you can claim your money from the bank account. That bank account is connected with your local bank account, so that money will fall into your local bank account. You can withdraw 36,700 rupees if I reach $100. So I'm waiting to upload a video on how I received my $100 and how I spent my $100 from the YouTube, and I'm eagerly waiting for that day. I'm working hard for it, and thank you for watching the entire video. And if you guys also have motivation to earn through YouTube, take me as a small example. I started 2 years back without nothing. I have no idea how I came to this point, but I was just giving and sharing whatever I know, and being honest in YouTube is something which made me to come to this point. Anyway guys, so see you guys with another video. In upcoming videos I will be explaining how YouTube pays and under different types of ads, how do we get monetized. So much of plans I have on YouTube videos, and keep Commerce with Matt, subscribe for those updates. See you guys in another video. Thank you and have a nice day.